Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update KuCoin API credentials securely for bots. Detailed guide step by step clearly. To update your KuCoin API credentials securely for your trading bots, start by logging into your navigate to the API management section found in your account settings. Here, you'll see a list of your existing API keys. Identify the API key you wish to update and click on the Edit button next to it. Before making any changes, ensure that you have a secure connection. This means using a VPN or a private network to avoid potential security risks. Now, you can update the API key settings as needed. Make sure to modify the permissions according to your bot's requirements. For most trading bots, you will need trade and withdraw permissions. However, consider limiting permissions to the least necessary for added security. Once you've adjusted the settings, click on Save to apply the changes. Next, you will need to generate a new secret key. Click on the Regenerate Secret option. Ensure you copy the new secret key to a secure location immediately. It is crucial to save this key as it won't be accessible later. After saving, go back to your trading bot's configuration settings. Update the API key and secret key in your bot settings. Confirm that all changes are accurate and reflect the new information. Before finishing up, it's advisable to test the connection between your bot and the KuCoin API. Most bots have an option to test API connections. Take advantage of this feature. If any issues arise, double-check the entered keys for any mistakes. Finally, remember to delete any old API keys that are no longer in use. This reduces the risk of unauthorized access to your account. With everything updated, your trading bot should be ready to operate securely. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.